What motivates Anthropic's Claude CoWork to take the lead in AI? Anthropic is a company that's been making waves in the AI landscape, and its AI model, Claude CoWork, is at the forefront of this innovation. Claude CoWork is designed to revolutionize the way we interact with machines, making it more intuitive and human-like. Its purpose is to assist and augment human capabilities, making it an indispensable tool in various industries. The significance of Claude CoWork lies in its potential to transform the way we work and live. With its advanced language processing capabilities, it can understand and respond to complex queries, making it an ideal solution for businesses and individuals alike. As we dive deeper into the world of AI, it's essential to understand what drives Claude CoWork to rule. Anthropic's journey to develop Claude CoWork was not an easy one. The team faced numerous challenges, from designing a model that can learn and adapt quickly to ensuring its safety and reliability. However, their perseverance paid off, and Claude CoWork was born. What sets it apart from other AI models is its unique architecture, which enables it to learn from vast amounts of data and improve its performance over time. This innovation has enabled Claude CoWork to excel in various applications, from customer service to content creation. Its ability to understand natural language and respond accordingly has made it a favorite among businesses and individuals. But what really drives Claude CoWork to rule is its ability to learn and adapt, making it an indispensable tool in today's fast-paced world. Claude CoWork's capabilities were put to the test when it was tasked with complex projects that required creativity and problem-solving. The results were astounding, as it was able to produce high-quality content and provide insightful solutions. This pivotal moment showcased Claude CoWork's capabilities, demonstrating how it surpasses expectations and reshapes user interaction. Its ability to understand context and nuance has enabled it to provide more accurate and relevant responses. This has made it an essential tool for businesses and individuals who require high-quality content and solutions. The implications of Claude CoWork's success are far-reaching, with many industries taking notice of its potential. The tech industry is abuzz with excitement, as Claude CoWork's capabilities have the potential to disrupt traditional business models. Its success has also sparked discussions about the future of AI and its potential applications in various fields. From healthcare to finance, Claude CoWork's impact will be felt across the globe. As Claude CoWork continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications. Its potential to transform industries and revolutionize the way we work and live is vast. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and it's essential to consider the implications of such powerful technology. The development of Claude CoWork also raises questions about the future of work and the role of AI in society. As we continue to push the boundaries of AI, it's essential to ensure that its development is guided by ethics and a commitment to benefiting humanity. The impact of Claude CoWork on the AI landscape cannot be overstated. It has set a new standard for AI models, and its influence will be felt for years to come. As we look to the future, it's clear that Claude CoWork will continue to play a significant role in shaping the AI landscape. Its success has also sparked a renewed interest in AI research, with many experts eager to explore its potential. The responsibilities that come with such powerful technology are significant, and it's essential to ensure that Claude CoWork is developed and used responsibly. As we conclude, it's clear that Claude CoWork has made a significant impact on the AI landscape. Its innovative architecture and capabilities have set it apart from other AI models, making it a leader in the field. We'd love to hear your thoughts on AI advancements in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about related technologies, be sure to check out our next video. We'll be exploring the latest developments in AI and its applications in various industries. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. The future of AI is exciting, and we're eager to see what's in store. Share your thoughts, and let's keep the conversation going. The world of AI is rapidly evolving, and it's essential to stay informed about the latest developments. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.